Again, look on my channel. I'm going to show you how to make a teleporting block. No, like a block, like when you touch it, or like I teleport you to somewhere else. So let's get right into it. So first, what you need to do is you need to make the thing. So let's make a part. It's gonna be pretty basic, you know, like this. Now what you need to do is you gotta do call this, it's very important, tele 1. Then as you get now, click on the object and click on, I think, local script. Oh no, never mind, no, that's wrong. It should be on script, just right here, and then you gotta type. You type good what I say, okay? So click on function, on touch part F part part dot parent humanoid. The humanoid, you gotta no, then part parent parent move to script my god, no. Parent dot tele to position script dot parent again. Then click on tele 2. That's cool. Oh no. Your script dot disabled this now true. That wait underscore 2. How much time you want? I'll just put it like 2 because why not? Script dot parent dot tele 2 dot script this fails. So now what you need to do is you gotta go down here and you gotta type script again dot parent dot touched connect on touch. So now within the player touch tele 1, I will still teleport on this. So now what you need to do is click on tele again, tele 2 now, on script, and now let's type the same thing. Function again, on touch part F part dot parent so guys, I'm sorry for the background because yeah, they're just fighting over here. So move to script dot parent dot parent dot tele1 position that click on there. Parent dot parent tele1 script and then disabled fails. And click here and you do now. Oh no, this needs to be true. Wait, I'm gonna go to then let's do the same thing again and click on fails. So now we need to do again if script parent touched connect on touch. So now let's test it out, guys. And guys, you gotta put these two in a group. So now let's test it out. Teleporter. So let's test it out, guys. So as you guys can see, it will be perfectly good. You can see if I run. You can see it teleports here. So I will put the scripts in the description. So you guys like, subscribe. If you find this trick useful, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and yeah, bye.